Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and today I have a little Happy Mail, so I wanted to publicly thank this person, and so I have not opened the package yet, so we're going to open it together. So I'm going to turn you down and we're going to get started. Okay. I'm going to cut this tape right here. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Isn't this beautiful? And I forgot to tell y'all who this is from. This is from Lupe Galando. And I hope I am pronouncing that right. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at the texture. Oh my. Oh my, and my favorite colors, pink. Oh my God, thank you so much. Thanks for all you do. Oh my word. Thank you. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. She packed it very well. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my goodness. I love it. This is beautiful. She made it. Y'all, that is the most precious, the most wonderful gifts that you can ever give or receive is something that is handmade by somebody. I've always said that because they took time to think about what they wanted to give you, number one, but then they went out and they had to select the products and come back and make it. So they put a lot more thought in it when something is handmade from them. This is beautiful, my sweet friend. I love it. I love it. I need to hang it back here so it can be seen every time I'm in video that I can show it off. It's beautiful. Thank you so very much. From the bottom of my heart, I love you, and I love this too. It's just as pretty as you are. So, you're beautiful, and I love you. Thank you so very much, and I am honored that you're a part of my crafting community. So, my crafting family, thank you so much.